We are at Pont Melin-Fach, which is what is otherwise known as Waterfall country. We are going down on the Elidir trail. I'm sorry, I've probably messed that up really bad. Beautiful summer's day, July the 3rd, and we're going to head off in that down direction, and Paul is going to take some photos of the waterfall. I have to say I scared myself to death driving down here because it's tiny little road, enough room for one car, and we're in a hire car because, as you know, we don't live in England anymore, we live in America, and I felt like I was driving a tank, and so that was a bit scary, and of course we had to drive back up the hill going back out, but we got down here in one piece, and hopefully it's going to be well worth it. So come along and let's see what it's all about. You have to watch where you're going on this trail, it's very rocky, so don't come down here in high heels or open-toed flip-flops. Have to really pay attention where you're placing your feet. I just slid over and hurt my bottom, but otherwise I'm fine. And it's a long way down to this stream, as you can see. Paul's just trying to get down there closer so he can take some photos. I think it's about 22 degrees centigrade today, which is about, I don't know, 73 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're in the shade and it's absolutely perfect weather. Don't miss the humidity in Florida, and it's not like that at all obviously here up in Wales. It's nice, perfect day to walk in, the sunlight's out, very light breeze, and just listening to the water meandering down here is very relaxing. It's nice. Oh, and I just saw a chap walking down there with a pocket. I've got an Osmo pocket and a little microphone on, but he had it on a great big long selfie stick that looked like it was about 6 foot long. I just got mine in my hand, so because I've got my Osmo Action and my GoPro as well. So, but I just wanted to hold this today. So that was cool. I wanted to ask him, do you like your Action? I'm sure he does, because I do. Can't beat this for an afternoon out. It's gorgeous, so green. I miss the British countryside, I have to say, the Welsh countryside, wherever, it's just gorgeous. You have to come and just have a walk down here. Just make sure you bring a good pair of walking shoes. You can also park, I understand, at the Waterfall Centre, which is south of this trail, and we parked north of it, which is down a little windy road. And I understand that the Lady Waterfalls, I think that's what they called it, is down near the Waterfall Centre. And this is the shorter trail, it's 2.5 miles. There's another one called 4 Trails that has waterfalls on, and I think that's about 5 miles long. We might try that one another day. But this is a good walk. With some water, a little snack with you, just don't leave any litter behind. Found somebody with a wrapper that just dumped it in by the side. I don't know how anyone could do that, but it's lovely here.
When time shows up, you overboard this waterfall. Oh, this waterfall. You feel every death, reaching out and pulling back from all this waterfall.
heading back to the car now. We've got about halfway down this trail. We didn't walk all the way down to the end because it was just one of the waterfalls there. We just spent a lot of our time there taking photos and enjoying the view. So I will put links to I'll put information about where we parked and how to get here in the comments section below. But if you have any questions about it, please let me know and I'll be happy to answer them if I can.